Hi, based on my previous video, I removed this bracket from my EUC for reverse engineering using Autodesk Inventor, and many of you don't have the Autodesk Inventor. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step to reverse this part using FreeCAD. The part has already been scanned using Creality Sermoon S1, and I will put the download link for the point cloud in the description so that you can follow. This is the file that I made using the FreeCAD, and then I export it as a step files. So you can just drag and drop your files onto the CNC service provider. It will just recognize your file format. This file is made by the FreeCAD. FreeCAD, start by clicking on parametric part, files, import. I'm going to import the point cloud, which is a PLY format, the only compatible file format for the point cloud in FreeCAD. Click on the point cloud here, click on point size, change to 1, change the color to the light green color. Okay, make sure that you are in the part design mode. On the view, you are in orthographic view. Click on here, origin, click on the XC plane, and click on the sketch. So I will create a sketch on the XC plane. Click on here to slide the sketch. It will slide the point cloud in half. It's auto slice. I'm going to turn off the origin plane so it's easier for me to trace the point cloud. I'm going to use a line command. Start tracing like this. Just the approximation first, then I will align it later. So you need to find the place where it has a straight line, and then I will draw the arc later. Okay, let's move it here, move it here. I want it to be fast, so I'm not going to apply any constraint like a tangent constraint to the line and the arc because it's going to take a long time, especially for the FreeCAD. But for the other CAD software, it will be faster to apply constraint like a tangent to the line. But for FreeCAD, it's not that simple. Okay, just wall thickness of the point cloud is somewhere around 10-15 microns. Okay, next I'm going to add the arc. I'm going to use 3-point arc. Okay, let me trim this. So when the line is connect, it's going to show in the orange color. So the line is connect. You need to be sure that all the lines is connect. For this one, I'm going to draw an arc like this, and I'm going to trim it. Okay, sometimes it's just easier to draw a new line. Okay, I think that's it. Let me turn off this. Okay, you need to check that you don't have any residual lines left on the viewport, and all the corner has to be orange color. Next, I'm going to click on Path command. Click on the sketch Path command, and I'm going to click on the symmetric to plane because I'm going to extrude on both sides, and the size, let's try 50. So now if I use 50, it's going to touch the point cloud here. This is its dimension. You can try 51, so it's too wide, or 49, it will be too much. You can see it when it touched the point cloud. So 50 is the number. You can try 50.5. That's too much. 50 is the number. Okay, next I'm going to make this part transparent, click on body, click on transparency. I'm going to change the number to 50%. See, you can see through it. And I'm going to change the body color to this one. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to cut the pocket here. You see this two pocket and the hole. It was made by the extrusion. So I'm going to trace the profiles of the two here and one circle. I'm going to click on the plane here. If it's difficult for you to click on the plane, you should turn off the point cloud first. Click on the plane, click on the sketch. So its sketch will create on this plane. And next, I'm going to turn back the point cloud and start tracing for the geometry. For the hole, I'm gonna click on the I need to change the color. It's bad, this one. Let's try dark blue. Okay, that's better. Okay, back to the sketch and click on here, slice plane. Okay, let's find the center of the hole. I click on 3-point arcs. See, this will be the center of the hole. And I'm going to click on the circle and create a hole, 8.24. And next I'm going to create a pocket. Click on the pocket cut. Okay, now it's cut, right? You can see it here. Click on here, up to face, up to this face. So it will cut through here. Click on OK, and it's time to save. Okay, next I'm going to make this pocket and cut it to here. Click on this face and click on the sketch. You can slice the graphic. I'm gonna cut it from here to here and from here to here. And then I'm going to project this line. Right click, create external geometry. Draw a line using the reference. Next, I'm going to delete this. Turn off this and turn off the pocket. Okay, I'm going to trim it. So I'm going to cut it. Click on close. I already click on the sketch. Click on the pocket cut. Okay, now it's cutting. And next, I'm going to increase the length. Okay, now it's perfect. Here, 11 millimeters. I'm going to mirror this one to the other side. Click on here. Click on mirror command and choose the XC plane as the mirror plane. See now, this side is all cut. Click on OK. Okay, now you can see that this side is also cut because we pressed the point cloud in the center. Okay, next I'm going to create a hole. Let's turn off this. I'm going to create a hole on this face. Click on the sketch. Let's turn on the point cloud. Let's turn this Okay, now I'm going to trace for the hole center. Let's find the spot. See, the hole is not round because it has been used, this part. Okay, I already found the center of the hole. I think it's 6.3, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, next I'm going to align this hole because it's going to be here. Okay, it shows 16. Maybe you can see this. So 16 is the number. Okay, next I'm going to draw a circle here. The size is 6.3, the same as the last one. Then I'm gonna delete this line. Let's cut it. Close, cut. Let's cut it through all. Click on OK. Now the hole is cut. I'm not going to mirror it yet. I need to cut the pocket here on this face. Let's turn off this. Click on this face. Click on sketch. Turn the point cloud back on. Slice it. Okay, I'm going to trace this profiles. Okay, I'm going to create external geometry. This one too. Click on the pocket. Okay, so I'm going to cut it down. 6, 7, 8 is too tall. 7.5 too little. 7.6. Okay, 7.6 is perfect. Click on OK. Okay, you see this corner has an arc. So I'm going to create a sketch here, and then I'm going to create external geometry. 1, 2, and 3. And delete all the construction line. Okay, it looks like it should work, right? Close the sketch and extrude. Okay, extrude to this face. I can't click it because the point cloud is turned on. Extrude up to face. Okay, sometimes you have to turn off the point cloud so that you can select the face. I'm going to mirror this command to the other side. This command, and this command, 3 commands. Mirror it using the XC plane. Click on OK. So now let's go to the other side, just like that. Okay, next I'm going to do a fillet. I'm going to click on the fillet command. Click on this edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 2 is just perfect. I'm going to fillet this one. Click on here. You need to turn on the point cloud to check for the reference. Increase the radius. Okay, so the radius is 5. Turn off the point cloud. 1. Okay, just 1. Let's try this. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's mirror all the fillet here. XC plane. Okay, now it's mirror. Okay, let's check the length of this line. 29.75. So I'm going to create a plane here and move it 29.75 millimeter. So the plane will be here in this location. Click on OK. Click on the plane, click on the sketch. So I'm going to create a sketch on this plane. Turn on the point cloud. Next, I'm going to cut this curve using the circle command. You can try to move it and adjust the diameter. I think this is perfect. Next, I'm going to close it and extrude cut and choose through all. Reverse. Okay, now it's cut upward. Click on OK. So next I'm going to create this half circle. cut it down. Do here, click on here, the plane, click on the sketch, draw a circle, click on here, pocket cut, and up to face. It will be this face. Okay, click on OK. Now I can turn off the visibility of the plane. I'm going to create a chamfer in this two corner. Click on the corner first, click on the chamfer, turn on the point cloud, and go back to here to adjust. Okay, 1 millimeter is perfect. Click on OK. Okay, so we need to do a fillet here, this two corner. Click on fillet, increase the number. I think 4.5 would be perfect. Yep, 4.5. Okay, now I'm going to make a hole here. This hole has a thread. It's M6 thread. You cannot specify thread with the FreeCAD, and it's the same for the other professional CAD software. You need to put that in a 2D drawings that this hole is M6, so that the operator of the CNC machine will know and put that into the G code. So I will just draw a hole with a 6 millimeter diameter. For M6, it's going to be 6 millimeter for the female thread. This first, click on here, click on create sketch. I'm going to create sketch on this face. Turn the point cloud back and create a hole, which is M6 will be 6 millimeter, and you're gonna move it to the center, and then you are going to click on here, close, and cut it until it's just passed to this wall. So you're going to add the number. I think it's somewhere around 20 millimeter, 30. Okay, now it's 30. 30, it's going to get into here. Now you can just add 1 millimeter at a time. Okay, now it's passed through here. Click on OK. Now you get a hole for the thread, and there's a hole for the counter bore of the screw. Click on this face. Because there is no flat face here, it's a curve, you need to choose the flat face. To create a sketch, turn on the point cloud, draw a circle. Okay, just trace it. If it's not in center, you can't move it. Likely that is in this position. Close the sketch. There is too much. 25. Yeah, 28 is perfect, touching the bottom of the hole. Click on OK. Now we have a counter bore hole for the screw. Going to create a fillet here, here and here. Click on fillet. Yeah, I think it's about 1 millimeter, right? Let's turn on the point cloud. Almost done, almost done. Hang on. I know you can do it. Okay, one more hole. It's a MX screw thread. For the grab screw, the grab screw will be inserted through this hole, and it will be used for create a friction for the pin. So I'm going to create a plane here and cut the hole through this. Okay, step is simple. Turn off the point cloud, click on this plane, click on the sketch. I'm going to draw the hole. It's M8, so I'm going to draw 8 millimeter diameter hole and put it here. The pass-through hole will be larger. I think it's 9 millimeter. Next, I'm going to click on close, pocket cut. You won't see anything because the distance will be like 50. Add a number. Okay, now it's 62 is 68 is too much. Okay, 66 millimeter. So now the hole is passed from here through here. Okay, one final operation. Turn off this. Click on here. Click on the sketch. This will be 9 millimeter holes. Just move it. I think it's 9. Okay, perfect. Now just cut it through here. Okay, 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay, let's keep cutting. 4, 5. Okay, 55. I think we finished everything. This will be the part that you make. Okay, it's time to save and export this file as the step files. Export. Okay, you need to click on your last command, pocket files, export, and you can export in a step files here, step, right? Click on save. It's gonna ask you, I didn't click on anything here, use the default value, click on OK, and you get your step files. And before you can send it to the CNC service provider, you may need to put a note, a sketch note, that this hole is M6 and this hole is M8, so that the operator knows that this is not a hole, it's a thread. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. See you in the next video.